Well, g'day everyone, and we're back again, and we've got a couple of, one thing to scrap out today. Our electrician mate has just given us this amplifier. Pretty rusty old looking thing, it's a bit beat up there, but our mate Brodie here is going to pull it apart and we're going to see what's inside of it. And while he's doing that, I just want to show you something cool. I haven't pulled too many of these out of computers, but see that? It's a nice heat sink there. I'm thinking about incorporating that out into one of our lamps that we make. It's just an awesome piece of kit. It's, oh geez, I love the way it's made. It's just fantastic. And that's where the CPU sits underneath here. But anyway, we'll get back to what Brodie's doing. Alright, what have we got here?
Another screw.
Alright, well, I'll let you get on with that for a little bit. And we'll come back when you get the top off, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, we're back onto it. I'll just have a look at this. Just how many screws Brodie had to undo there. There was just, well, they're all sitting on a magnet there. But there was just tons of screws, and anyway, Brodie undid them underneath the bottom, so probably all the components are going to be loose. Anyway, lift her up, mate. See how we go. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh, look at that! What's that in there? Look. Oh, what? Careful! There might be a mouse in there. Wow! Look at all the junk it's in there. Anyway, we got a couple of nice big heat sinks there. They're really nice.
Yeah.
Those two are really good. And a couple of big giant transformers. Wow, they're huge, aren't they?
Yeah.
What else have we got in there? Any circuit boards? You point them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, wow. All right then. Yeah, here we go. Brodie's going to start cutting wires, snipping wires. What have you got there? Oh yeah, take the main power cord off. Wow. Oh, I just can't believe the amount of rubbish that's inside that thing. Just amazing. You enjoy doing this, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Just want to make sure that's out across there. Yep, that's alright, there's nothing. There's no power, which is good. Normally with electronics you shouldn't be playing around because they do hold a charge. I'm not an electrician and I'm not an expert, but I have seen it where charges will jump. You just got to be awful careful. One really good eBay that both Brodie and myself watch is E-Waste Ben. He's got some fantastic videos on scrapping, and check him out. Anyway, we'll just get pulling this apart because we don't want to make it too long a video, and we'll show you what we find at the end. Alright.
See you.
Alright, here we go, matey, eh?
Here's all the stuff we got.
So we've got quite a bit of stuff out of it, but there's not a lot there that we're going to be able to recycle, is there?
Nope.
So we can do the wire, can't we?
Yeah.
The copper wire there. And what are these made out of?
Aluminium.
They're aluminium, so we do get money for those. And these here?
Made of it as well.
Made of aluminium as well. How do we know that?
It doesn't stick to the magnet.
Okay, so we've got those. We've got a couple of small ones there. And we have two big transformers there, don't we?
And we got fuse.
Oh, they've got capacitors.
Yep, and then
another one. Well, we're not sure exactly what the names are. We're not an expert. These transformers here, this one here, that one was 2.4 kilos. And this one here, just lift that up. And I'll tell you, that one there weighs 4.6 kilos. So they're pretty big. And
one of my favourite things right here is probably one of these.
He likes these little old fuses.
Yeah.
Alrighty, one last thing we will have a look at, and that's yesterday Brodie and his parents came over there. That they know we're all into looking after the environment. They brought over a little present for me to take for my lunch.
It's a little panda bag.
Can you open that up for me? Can you open one up? We'll have a bit of a look. And these, there we go, they're press seal. And you can put them in your wash machine. Not the wash machine, what do you call it? Dishwasher. Put them in your dishwasher or wash them with just warm soapy water. And we're good to go, aren't we? So thank you very much, Brodie, for bringing those over. And we'll catch you on the next quick video.
See ya. Bye.